Guys, don't sleep on this. Right now, thousands of people are stuck. No degree. No connections. No clear way out. And everywhere you look, it's IELTS this, bachelor's degree that. But what if I told you? In 2026, there's a strategic immigration pathway to Ireland that doesn't require a degree, and in some cases, no IELTS. Yes, guys. This is not hype. This is real. Ireland is quietly opening doors for unskilled and semi-skilled workers. And people who move fast, will win big. This might be your cleanest chance to enter Europe legally. Work, earn in euros, and build a pathway to PR. Stay with me. Because this is mind-blowing. Ireland has a serious labor shortage right now. And it's not just tech jobs. We're talking about farms, hotels, construction sites, care homes, warehouses. Young people are moving into tech and office jobs. And guess what? Nobody wants to do the physical jobs anymore. That's where you come in. You're not just moving randomly. You're filling a gap they urgently need. And when a country needs you, your chances go way up. Let's break this down fast. These are the hot sectors right now. 1. Agriculture and farm work. Roles: farm assistants, fruit pickers, dairy workers. Salary: 22,000 to 30,000 euros per year, that's about $24,000 to $33,000. No degree needed. Training is on the job. 2. Hospitality. Roles: hotel cleaners, kitchen assistants, wait staff. Salary: 23,000 to 28,000 euros per year. Massive demand. Especially in cities. 3. Healthcare support. Roles: care assistants, nursing aides. Salary: 27,000 to 35,000 euros per year. And guys, this one has strong PR potential. 4. Construction. Roles: general laborers, site assistants. Salary: 30,000 to 40,000 euros per year. High pay. High demand. 5. Warehousing and logistics. Roles: pickers and packers, delivery assistants. Salary: 24,000 to 32,000 euros per year. E-commerce is booming. They need people. Guys, notice something. None of these require a university degree. This is your lane. The eligibility checklist. Let's make this simple. Here's what you need. 1. Age: 18 to around 50 years old. 2. Basic English. You don't always need IELTS. But you must understand simple instructions. 3. Valid passport. Non-negotiable. 4. Job offer, very important. You need an employer in Ireland to sponsor you. Don't worry. I'll show you how. 5. Willingness to work. These are not office jobs. You must be ready to work. Show up. Stay consistent. This is one of the easiest entry routes into Europe right now. How to apply for these jobs. Step 1. Prepare a simple CV. Keep it clean. Include name, contact, work experience, even informal work counts, skills, cleaning, lifting, cooking, etc. Step 2. Apply for jobs. Use these websites: jobsireland.ie, indeed.ie, irishjobs.ie. Apply daily. Consistency wins here. Step 3. Secure a job offer. Once an employer is interested, they will help you apply for a work permit. This is usually through Employment Permits Online System, EPOS. Step 4. Apply for visa. After your permit is approved, apply through Irish immigration website, INIS. Submit passport, job offer, permit approval. Step 5. Move and convert. Once you land in Ireland, start working. Build experience. Renew your permit. After some years, you can move toward long-term residency, PR. Guys, this is a system. Follow it step by step. So guys, here's the deal. Opportunities like this don't stay open forever. People who move early, win. If you're serious about moving abroad, drop a comment right now. Will you be applying, or which country or job would you like me to cover next? And if this opened your eyes even a little, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell. Because I'm breaking down more strategic immigration pathways you can actually use. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Take action. I'll see you in the next one.